Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to attempt the final exam step by step. The final exam panel will be available only for a limited time. All participants must complete the exam while the panel is open. First, make sure you are on the dashboard. Next, click on the exam menu tab and then click on the final test submenu. You will be redirected to the exam instructions window. Read the instructions carefully. Check the I agree button given on the bottom side. Then click the OK. Now you will reach the second screen where you need to enter the final exam password. This unique password will be shown on the screen in red color. You just have to copy and paste in the blank box. Then click the submit button. After this, the process is the same as the given in the mock test. Click the start test button, test with Abacus, and your question paper will appear. You have to remember, you have only one attempt for this final exam. So solve the paper carefully and submit it only when you are fully done. That's for this video.